So this is the way you assemble it. So you have the RS10, which is here, with an angle bracket, which is provided like this, that you fix on the rotary scanner with 4 screws like this. And then you have the typical mount of the FX camera just here. So you mount it here on the hole, which is here, that you can mount directly on the tripod. That's what I'm going to do. So once you find it up, like here, you just roll it. Now it is in place. After that, you are able to mount the FX camera. Plop, here we go. We have it here, so you have different options to mount it. You can do like this. You can do like this. I actually prefer to do it that way. So this is again the usual mount. You attach the camera like this somewhat. Sometimes I wish I would have a third hand, but it's not the case. And then you just mount it like this. Then you need to have your tool. You don't need a lot of tool, you need only one. Remember where you put it. This is the hexagonal key here, the usual one again. Then we can attach like this the camera on the mount. It is at the right place. Then after that, you can make the cabling connection. So there is no order, but here you can start with the scanner, like this. Then you mount it like this. Like that. Notice that you have here an emergency button. If it's on, you can reset it like this. After that, you can connect the Ethernet cable to the camera here. If it is a camera link camera, of course, this is a camera link connector, like this. And then the power cable just needs to be connected here. Of course, this one is going to be connected to the laptop. This one to the laptop and also the power supply. And this one to the power supply as it powers the camera. That's all what we need to do.